Alright, so we have just finished cleaning the loft. We added some fresh sand because it was starting to get thin here in the center underneath the swings where the birds who have not chosen nest boxes like to sleep, hang out, and poop. Aw, Tandy's taking her turn on eggs. My precious girl. I thought it was removal day for his. It is not removal day for his until tomorrow, so that's when I'll do that. My sensu, Kara, Mia, Asher, PJ. Sissy still hasn't chosen someone else to share his box. Hi, Val. Val will probably... Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, Hagrid. Don't know why I still keep getting her confused with Valentine. Good luck with that, Vinny. She does not look appreciative. She may bite you. Or punch you. Definitely punch you. She's doing the angry vibrating. Cody, your attempts to woo your mom aren't going to work either, kiddo. Bless you for trying. She and Betty will probably be very excited to try again once I remove the egg. I'm expecting Cookie to lay any day now. She still hasn't. Lily and Luxie have been treading an awful lot, so I'm expecting them to lay soon. And Vinny and Ellie are officially an item. They have been treading this week and last week, so I'm also expecting eggs from them soon. Emilio has been on his eggs all day. He's finally taking a break. Hi, Cookie. That's a floofy cookie. You gonna unfloof or are you gonna shiver? Hey, Pippin. Hello, Luxie. Well, Luxie's spoken for a nest she likes. Hopefully Ellie will make up her mind and decide on a nest soon. Hey, Vinny. Hey, good boy. Rigby and Cody's peeps are growing. Rigby's on them right now. Oh, that's a fluffy Vinny. Silk and Sony just tread again today. No. Good birds. I don't know what Pippin's fussing with Ellie about. They're having words over something. She probably thought he got too close. And cussed him for too close yet. That sounds like my husband returning with my keys. Hey, sweetie. Thank you. I'll see you inside when I'm done. He's so sweet. Oh my God, key noises. They really like key noises. At least some of them do. Seems to freak Luxie right the hell out. Oh, I'm sorry, Luxie. I didn't mean to make them jangle so much. Hey, Emilio. I'm so excited for those eggs. Oh. Silk and Sony being sweet again. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Brainy, brainy, brainy. Oh, just a few more days till Sammy and Cody will be 5 months old. Brainy, brainy. Oh my lord, so cute. I really love when pairs are excited to lay. They're so cute. Hi, Vinny. Oh, what you checking out, Emilio? You looking for a secondary box? Or are you just playing in the new sand? Puddin's just playing in the new sand. Oh, look at her doing the comfy fluff. Just chilling on it. It still feels kind of warm to the touch. My favorite thing about fresh sand is the little feet prints. I love little feet prints. Oh, that's an excited boy. Emilio, what you doing? That's not your box. At least Vinny and Ellie are leaving his box alone. He's been bothering them in their box more than they've been bothering him in his, although Ellie did try to go for his the once. I had to chase her out. But Vinny seems to be mostly keeping his attention to other boxes. So we're on good terms for now. Look at that comfy Puddin'. Hello, Puddin'. I see you. I see a comfy baby girl. Emilio, no! Emilio, that's not your box. It's okay. It's okay, good birds. They seem to like that one. That's not your box, buddy. You need to leave their box alone. You can't really blame them for coming after you if you harass them in their box. There's Cody up there with his mama. She had a fluff trim since last time. So hopefully her next clutch of eggs will be fertile. God bless her and Betty, they tried. Still lost in the afterglow, huh, Silk? Here comes Luxie back with Lily. That's another set of eggs I'm really excited for. What you doing, Silk? Got a stretchy boy. Immediately gonna go start some shit. Oh. Happy grunting is just the cutest thing. Just the cutest thing. They're so good. Such good pigeons. I love watching breeding pairs preen. It's just the sweetest thing. We got a message on our business page that I haven't read yet. There's just the headline of them looking into a pet pigeon. So here's hoping we find a match for Papillon soon. She's the only bird currently available right now. We don't breed in very large numbers here because it keeps us from getting overwhelmed. I don't want to produce any peeps that people don't want. So I primarily produce them for our own research project. A loft comfortably houses 10 adult pairs and their offspring. So that's what I try to keep the number to. Bird may end up being a failed foster. We've moved her in the house because that's where she'd rather be. Coo being a bitey bastard notwithstanding. Minnie, why are you gonna go mess with that pudding? Pudding, don't bother your mama. She'll bite your face. Hey, Vinny. Who's a handsome young man? Oh, he is a handsome young man, isn't he, Ellie? They're a cute couple. Putting in the background, taking advantage of other birds not being around to eat. Sun Tzu doing the same. It is quite the makeout session. Look at him go. You're covering her nostrils a little, Vinny. I don't think you got her, buddy. He's still working on that. Sometimes he just kind of masturbates on her tail feathers. Lily, you do not need to antagonize Vinny. Or Pippin and Cookie. That's a terrible idea. We'll both fight you. Oh, we better crouch down for him again. It's funny, they're really insistent when they want those first eggs. She is literally begging him to tread her again. She's fighting everybody off that she does not want to tread her. Wow. Look at that Luxie. Getting herself shuffled in. She's looking a little uncomfortable. She's definitely not getting ready to poop. I wonder if she's getting ready for an egg. She likes that spot. That shuffle thing she's doing is what we like to call a nest dance. That's how birds make a bowl in the middle of a pile of nest material. They make a platform and then they get down in the middle of it and they do that little shuffle dance that pushes stuff out from the center and makes a dip. Hello, Lily. Hello, Lily. You go join your wife? Go join your wife? She is very nasty. Very nasty girl. I hope that means there will be eggs soon. I'm also excited for eggs from Luxie. Not so much for her temperament, but definitely her facial structure is very, very nice. I like those big wide eyes. Hello, Sunsu. Look at that handsome little man just sitting on my foot. Hey, buddy. Right now, I think Sissy and Sunsu are the birds most likely to retire month after next. I hear you. Is he not allowed to be on my foot? Hello, Lily. He was not allowed to be on my foot. Pippin wanted that spot. Hi, Pippin. And there comes our cookie. Who usually wants to be near where Pippin is. There's Lily warning them away. His wife is over there getting ready to lay her first eggs. And he doesn't want anybody to disturb her. So nobody's allowed over there. They can just be over here. Hello, Cookie. See you. Let's see that little Cookie. And her cute little smacky beak. What a good girl. Yes, ma'am. What a contented Cookie. And what a contented Pippin. Pretty boy. Oh Lord, she fell asleep. And the little girl napping herself a nap. She hasn't laid yet. We'd know if she had. Hello, Lily. Oh, good boy. Well, we are at 19 minutes, and sign-off time is fast approaching. And since it usually takes me longer than a minute to sign off, I will go ahead and start now. Oh, my Lord, Cookie, one-footed. That's precious. Hi, Lily. But in addition to our clients, adopters, I keep forgetting the word, and potential apprentices, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our Facebook page. My God, you're adorable. And our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. That allow us to continue and expand our research. We will, in fact, be starting an apprenticeship program. Two separate apprenticeship programs, one for breeders and one for people wanting to start small-time rescue out of their home. We will also be starting a Discord server for clients and adopters to get together. So once people are either matched with a therapy bird or a pet that's washed out, or adopt a rescue, they will be sent a link to that Discord channel so that they can talk to each other as well as to me. I figure that that will help me keep track of everybody's growth and development. Whew. While allowing new keepers to talk to each other. Oh, taking her turn. What a good mom. It's a shame there's nothing in that egg. We'd be expecting to see it tomorrow if there were. Oh well. I can't promise those being functional today, but as soon as possible I will get those Discord servers up. And once they are up, I will let everyone know. Thank you again so much for your input. We will see you tomorrow.